Are you struggling with ideas? In this episode, I'm going to show you how I get ideas for my design projects. Hi, my name is Sini. I'm a fashion and textile designer with my master's in fashion women's wear. On this channel, I'll show you how I design and make things. I also have a great interest in sustainability. So if that's something you would like to learn more about, please stick around and subscribe to my channel. This episode is all about inspiration. Where do I get inspiration? How do I get inspiration? So without further ado, let's get right into it. You can find inspiration from something tangible or intangible. Examples of tangible inspiration are something physical, like an object, for example a chair, building, artwork, textiles, costume, flora and fauna. And examples of intangible inspiration are music, movie, poetry, theatre and culture. I have chosen as my theme for this project, I have chosen the word winter, because in the UK at the moment we are heading towards winter, so I thought that would be quite suitable theme. So first of all, I start by printing out the dictionary meaning for the word. So winter means the colder half of the year, a period of inactivity or decay. So you can already get some ideas from the dictionary. And then you start by doing a mind map. So first of all, you write your word in the middle, so winter. And then you start making points coming out of this word. You're going to do other words like layers, layering, coat, hat, gloves. And if you're really stuck for like a word, you can always look in the thesaurus for synonyms. That's quite a good place to look if it's some like a more complicated word. So tracks, animal tracks, human, car, coldest season, freezing, cold, snow, snowman, ice, snowflake, skiing, snowboarding, Snow Queen, Narnia, white, ice blue, hibernation, sleeping, tucked in, migration, birds, flying, south, and then from that north, so when you have made enough words from your theme, then you can either you can expand on the different words, create more kind of more mind mapping, or you can just choose your keywords, what you like. So for me, I like layering. I like the tracks. I like the ice, snowflake, snow queen, ice blue, white, tucked in, hibernation, migration. So from these words then I'm going to start doing research for my project, which is my favorite part. So where do I find my research? I find inspiration anywhere in my environment: books, magazines, internet, Pinterest, Instagram, music videos, TV, movies and exhibitions. So I'm going to Pinterest to find some images this time for my project. So next we are going to do our mood board. So what is a mood board? Mood board is a collage of images and other objects created for design purposes. Mood boards help designers to stay on the topic and to generate unified styles for design projects. You can either do a physical mood board from your favorite images, or you can do one with your computer on programs like Adobe Illustrator or Photoshop. I like to do a physical mood board because it's more tactile, because I can add fabrics and other things to it. So it's got more textures, it's more interesting than just a flat one. I have cut out all my images now, and now I'm going to think about the layout of my mood board. So it's first good to think about the layout before you stick anything down, so it's pleasing to your eye. After I'm happy with my layout, I'm going to start gluing the images down. I have now done this initial mood board in my sketchbook, and I'll show you how I would do this on the computer. I'll hope to see you next time when I'm going to show you how I develop my ideas. Please give this video a like if you liked it and you learned something new, and comment below where do you get your ideas from. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.